10th Standard Social Science Formative Assessment 2 Achievement Test 2 Model Paper Key Answer. The lessons selected for Formative Assessment 2 are Opposition to British rule in Karnataka and VDS of Mysore, Social and religious reform movements, India's relationship with other countries, work and economic life, India forest resources, India water resources, economy and government, bank transactions. First main 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. The Navratri festival in Mysore state was started by Chikkadevaraja Odiyar, Chamarajendra Odiyar 10th, Krishnaraja Odiyar 4th, Raja Odiyar. Correct answer is option D, Raja Odiyar. A newspaper in Bengali called Samvada Kaumudi was started by Dayananda Saraswati, Atmaram Panduranga, Ram Mohan Rai, Jyotiba Phule. Correct answer is option C, Ram Mohan Rai. Second main, answer the following questions in a sentence each. Between whom the Tashkent Agreement was signed? The Tashkent Agreement was signed between India and Pakistan. What is unemployment? Unemployment means inability to get work in spite of proper age, ability and interest. Third main, answer the following questions in 4 sentences each. Indian forest areas are gradually decreasing. Why? Expansion of agriculture, animal grazing, construction of roads and railroads, irrigation projects, forest fires, mining, forest fires, etc. Mention the 4 main heads of Niti Ayoga's activities. Policy and program framework, cooperative federalism, monitoring and evaluation, think tank and knowledge and innovation hub. Or what are the objectives of 5-year plans? Increasing the production to the maximum extent possible, increasing the employment opportunities, reducing the economic disparities, ensuring economic stability, modernizing the economy, etc. Fourth main, answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. Which are the reforms brought about by Annie Besant? She aroused pride in Indian culture through her lectures. She attempted to establish equality, universal brotherhood and harmony in society. Annie Besant gave her full support to the freedom struggle. She started a newspaper called New India. In 1916, she started Home Rule movement. She was the president of the Congress session in 1917. She contributed immensely to Indian philosophy and the independence struggle. Explain India's relationship with Russia. India-Soviet cooperation continued in political, economic and other fields. Soviet Union condemned China's aggression in 1962. During the liberation of Goa in 1961, Soviet Russia supported India. In 1966, Tashkent Agreement was signed by India and Pakistan with the mediation of Russia. In 1971, India and Soviet Russia entered into 20 years of treaty of peace, friendship and cooperation. Russia assisted India to have steel plants at Bhilai and Bokaro. We have received a lot of aid from Russia for the growth of our industry and commerce. It is supporting Indian claim for permanent seat in the Security Council of United Nations organization. Or what are the services offered by banks? Credit cards, personal loans, home and vehicle loans, mutual funds, business loans, safe deposit lockers, debit cards, trust services, signature guarantees. Fifth main, answer the following questions in 8 sentences each. Explain the achievements of Krishnaraju Vadiyar IV. He was very much interested in spreading education among his people. He abolished fees in all primary schools to develop primary education. He helped girls' education. He started the University of Mysore and also started scholarship to the students continuing education in foreign countries. The Indian Institute of Science was established at Bangalore with the help of Tata. Special attention was given to the development of irrigation. A barrage was constructed across Kaveri near Belagula. New railway lines were laid. The iron and steel factory, cement factory, paper mills at Bhadravati, sugar factory at Mandya, sandal oil factory at Mysore, soap factory at Bangalore, chemical and fertilizer factory at Belagula were started. Legislative Council was formed, which was a great step in the legislative measures. He had a lot of interest towards fine arts and encouraged musicians. Mysore became a model state due to his administration. Mahatma Gandhi called him as Rajashri. Or explain the main aims of multipurpose river valley projects. Providing irrigation facility, production of hydroelectric power, prevention of floods, creating facility for water transportation, providing water for domestic and industrial use, preventing soil erosion, developing fisheries, enhancing forest wealth. Sixth main, question number 10. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following in it. River Narmada, Damodar Valley Project. A. River Narmada. B. Damodar Valley Project.